Are Facebook videos playing silently? Let's unmute them properly. Is this happening on all videos or just some? Let me know in the comments below. First, check your device's mute switch. It's obvious, but 60% of no sound issues start here. In Facebook app, tap screen and speaker icon. Toggle between media and phone audio. Disable Bluetooth temporarily. Devices often route audio incorrectly. Long press video and tap on open in browser. The web player has more reliable sound. Still silent? Clear app data completely. You can find this in the settings. Hearing sound now? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.